CMC was actually established in 2015. The 3 core members were involved in different projects before 2015. At a certain point, we said, well, it would be beneficial for the industry if we team up and join forces. We signed an MOU at Honda office in Tokyo in 2015, and that was the kickoff.
The top management of the 4 core members are present, as well as the car departments of 2 core members, plus Lamborghini and Volkswagen. Thank you very much for joining us. For the first time in the history of motorcycle industry, so many organizations came together to pursue one common goal, together for motorcycle safety. Therefore, CMC is focusing on such cooperation, which enables us to have today's event.
Over 50% of all motorcycle accidents are caused by other vehicle drivers.
Sorry mate, I didn't see you. I want you to think about this phrase. What does it mean when a car driver oversees you as a motorcycle rider? The use case driven approach consists of 5 steps, and the first step was the in-depth accident analysis. We had a detailed look on power-to-wheeler accidents and figured out which are the most important ones and the most safety relevant ones.
What was the key difference between CMC 1.0 and 2.0? The key difference was that we said ADAS systems are developing relatively fast. So we said it's important for the motorcycle industry to also look at ADAS systems. And we believe that the combination of a driver assistance system and connectivity will give you the best coverage for our use cases.
The summary is that the top 4 accident types are crossing, longitudinal and lane change, and the left turn. And we have 2 key messages for you. One is we want to improve motorcycle safety, and the other is that we work closely together with the car industry.